Welcome to Designer Digital's Tip of the Week, January 22nd, 2011. This week, adding texture to photos in Photoshop and Elements. My email buddy Linda is always on the lookout for interesting techniques for her digital projects. This week's tip is an answer to her request for instructions on using digital papers to add texture to photos. To make your photo look like it was printed on textured paper, begin by opening a photo and a canvas or linen paper like Katie Petit's Sac Solids. Use the Move tool to drag the textured paper over onto your photo, completely covering your photo with the paper. Make sure that the paper layer is one position above the photo layer in the Layers panel. You can drag the paper layer up or down the panel if you need to. Move your cursor between the photo layer and the paper layer in the Layers panel and hold the Alt key, or on a Mac system the Option key, while you click. This creates a clipping mask, digitally gluing the paper to the photo. Next, select the paper layer and press Ctrl U, or on a Mac system Command U on your keyboard to activate the Hue Saturation dialog box. Drag the saturation slider all the way to the left to remove the color of your paper. This step is important because colors in the paper design can alter the colors of your photo if you forget to do this. Click OK and then change the blending mode from normal to overlay. The blending mode drop-down menu can be found at the top left corner of the Layers panel. When you change the blending mode, you'll see the photo take the texture of the paper. Here's a before and here's the after. Before, after. Try experimenting with other blending modes like soft light, multiply, or linear burn to see which one you like best for your photo and your paper choice. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back next week for another Photoshop or Elements tip of the week.